Versions 24 and 25 take CANdelaStudio to the next level with a range of powerful improvements. Curious to see what's new? Let's take a look. Hi, my name is Tatjana Tunge and I'm Product Manager for CANdelaStudio. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the highlights from CANdelaStudio versions 24 and 25. With version 25, CANdelaStudio enables AI-based diagnostic expertise through seamless integration with AI tools via the MCP server. The MCP server provides AI tools with access to CANdelaStudio documentation, allowing you to ask detailed questions and receive well-founded answers. In addition, AI tools can read and interpret CDD files, enabling direct queries of diagnostic specifications and easy integration into AI-assisted workflows. A dedicated video will show you how to set up the MCP server and explore real-world use cases that bring AI-assisted diagnostics to life. As SOVD becomes increasingly important, creating consistent and SOVD-compliant diagnostic specifications is essential. Versions 24 and 25 therefore continue to enhance and refine the authoring of SOVD-based diagnostics. Since version 23, you could already use a selected set of SOVD-specific features in CANdelaStudio. Starting with version 24, you can define your own SOVD class templates or use our vector SOVD example template that we deliver with our installer. In our latest SOVD example template, when inspecting the SOVD class template view, you can see its methods and components on the left side and, as usual, the properties on the right side. The class type defines which content of the SOVD standard the SOVD class corresponds to. In version 25, we have added a new class type, operations, which supports the proximity proof required flag at the individual SOVD instance. In SOVD, the proximity proof can be used to specify that an operation may only be executed if a technician is close to the car. With SOVD, data exchange becomes far less restrictive, allowing a much simpler approach to configuring SOVD data compared to traditional use cases. As a result, version 25 introduces new SOVD-specific data types that simplify configuration and better reflect modern use cases. The Data Types node now includes a dedicated SOVD Data Types tab. In the provided SOVD example template, one instance of each available SOVD data type is already defined, from simple types like strings, integers, and booleans to more complex types such as enums and arrays. Only these specific data types may be used when defining SOVD instances. To get started with SOVD, explore the vector SOVD example template and don't hesitate to contact us if you need any assistance. Our experts will be happy to help you. Designed for automation use cases, the CANdelaStudio Server Edition integrates seamlessly into continuous integration pipelines, enabling efficient testing and deployment of your software. To support modern Linux-based CI/CD workflows, the Server Edition is available for Linux since version 24, enabling platform-independent data processing. In addition, we have enhanced the Server Edition command line interface on both Linux and Windows, introducing a modern and more intuitive user experience. With version 25, we introduced volume licenses to make the Server Edition an even more compelling choice, especially for teams running a smaller number of pipelines at a lower frequency. Volume licenses allow you to buy a predefined number of operations, such as different imports and exports or plugin executions tailored to your individual workflow. They offer an attractive alternative for CI setups that do not require the full capacity of an unlimited agent license. To learn more about how to use the Server Edition, check out our dedicated videos. A common challenge when authoring diagnostic data is keeping the requirements in sync, as they are usually managed in external tools. With the new requirements export in CANdelaStudio, all diagnostic objects are exported together with their unique reference path, enabling requirements to be assigned and managed externally, for example, in a requirements management tool. After re-importing the data with the assigned requirements IDs, they are automatically matched via the reference path, ensuring seamless end-to-end requirement traceability within CANdelaStudio. Driven by direct user feedback, version 25 delivers a powerful new search that makes finding content faster, easier, and more intuitive. Use the path field in the top right corner to enter your search term and press Enter to start an instant search. For more advanced queries, open the new search dialog using Ctrl F to further refine your request. For example, by limiting the search to a specific variant or to certain object types such as diagnostic instances. Search results are presented in a dedicated Search Results view at the bottom, where you can further filter the results or simply click a path to navigate directly to the corresponding element in CANdelaStudio. While the new search is a key highlight, versions 24 and 25 also bring broader UI improvements, including significant enhancements to the expert view used for editing template data. Protocol services are like an abstract service description that your services will implement at the individual diagnostic instance. We have modernized the Protocol Services view with an overview list in the middle with clickable links to navigate to the components and a detailed component list for each request and response. And as usual, a property sheet on the right side supporting multi-selection. A diagnostic class defines a specific diagnostic use case and serves as a blueprint for diagnostic instances. The Modernized Diagnostic class view allows you to define supported protocol services and view the components of each service primitive, including the ability to merge identical components across different primitives. Default attributes in CANdelaStudio are predefined attributes that are automatically available for specific object types and can be used to support customized workflows. They can be configured in the Default Attributes view, which is modernized in version 25 and provides a clear list with a property sheet for editing. The new Default Attributes overview shows default attributes from all object types together in one place. It enables efficient searching and filtering the list. Using multi-selection, you can consistently edit default attributes across different object types. These were just some of the highlights of CANdelaStudio versions 24 and 25. Many more improvements are available. Check out the release notes for the complete list. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Discover more content around diagnostics and CANdelaStudio by exploring the links in the description below. Subscribe to the Vector Tech tutorial channel and turn on notifications to stay informed about upcoming videos.